Favorite ko yun. Diyos ko, pag nakikita... Alam niyo ba pag nasa Middle East ako, sinong nakakaalala ko sa mga kaibigan ko? Si Chocolate. Alam niyo ba? Nasaan daw si Chocolate? Nasaan? Nasa septic tank. Bilang gawin tahi naman siya. Alam niyo ba nangyari dyan? Nagpunta ng Dubai? Ako kukwento kasi. Diyos ko, nagsuot ng short na bango. Kipay short. Pa! Kipay short, labas ang balikat. Pa! O itong bakla. Nasa mall, Dubai. And my gay friend, he went to Dubai and he was wearing a very, very, very short pants with the one-sided extra large shirt, and he was exposing his dirty skin. Very oily, stinky. And now, at the Dubai Mall, he was walking. Like that. Walking like that. At the mall. Tagalog. So, nakita siya ng dalawang CID. Mga pulis. Nakita siya ng pulis. Excuse me. Can we invite you to the office? Why? Just follow us. Sumamang bakla sa opisina. Maya, we're going to talk to you regarding your outfit. Bakla, punta sa sa opisina. Pagdating sa why are you wearing that kind of clothes? It's not allowed here to wear that kind of clothes. It's too short. You're exposing your skin. It's dirty. Why are you wearing? Explain to us. Why are you wearing like that? Because I'm an actor. Yes, I'm an actor in Manila. I do movies, I do TVs. I'm an actor. Actor? Yes. Yung police, tinawag yung ibang friend. Actor. Actor? Ito naman kasi bakla. Parang kapag na sinabi mo actor ka sa Pilipinas, ang dumi-dumi mo. Sana sinabi mo ano ka? Adik. Kung adik ka, kaya hindi na makasuot mo. Totoong nangyari yun walang chika yun Totoo yun. Tapos yung minsan